Unlock the secret to professional-grade clarity and make your Capcut videos truly shine by exporting in breathtaking 4K quality. Let's dive in and make sure every frame of your masterpiece is packed with detail first. Once you've finished editing your project in Capcut, look for the export icon. It's usually near the top right corner. A stylish arrow pointing upwards, tap on that to bring up the export settings. Now, here's where the magic happens. For 4K, you'll see several options, but our focus is on resolution. Tap on it, and a list of resolutions will appear. You want to select the highest available option, which is typically labeled as 2160p or 3840x 2160. This is your gateway to 4K. Next, let's talk about frame rate. While not strictly part of 4K resolution itself, a smooth frame rate significantly enhances the perceived quality for a professional look. Choose either 30 FPS or 60 FPS if your original footage was shot at a higher frame rate. Try to match it here for the smoothest playback. Finally, we have bitrate. Think of this as the amount of data used to represent your video. Higher bitrates mean more detail and less compression, which is crucial for 4K. Capcut often provides recommended bitrates for the best quality. Choose the highest setting available that still makes sense for your intended platform and storage space. Once you've set your resolution to 4K, selected an appropriate frame rate, and chosen a high bitrate, you're ready to export. Simply tap that export button again and let Capcut work its magic. Your video will now be rendered in stunning 4K quality, ready to impress your audience with unparalleled detail and clarity. There you have it. Exporting in 4K on Capcut is simple, and the difference in visual fidelity is absolutely remarkable for truly professional-looking content.